Well, hello. This is Game Bro here. And I'm going to show you how I mostly win in ranked matches. Again, this is like 65% of the time. Alright? So yeah, you can scan this QR code and, or you just pause the video and stuff like that. This, choose charge shot.
Guess I have no choice. Won't look back.
I'll take one.
See, you receive the full effects of its step.
I can't lose this.
So much power.
And then, to get this up. That's the main goal. Get this connection.
You only hurt yourself.
Don't count me out yet. My spirit works.
System's fully charged.
There you go.
How's your strength? So much power.
Now you know how to play.
To end all conflict.
What's the magic?
So much power.
Every time I heal with one of these new creatures, they gain 1 power. Because of this.
So much power.
It's me. Getting rid of you. Me getting rid of you.
Bring out your weapons and surrender. System's fully charged with this power to end all conflict. Your energy becomes your strength. Bring out your weapons and surrender.
I'm showing them.
It's up to me to find my true place.
Alright, thanks for watching.